తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర నూతన డీజీపీగా బుధవారం జితేందర్ బాధ్యతలు చేపట్టారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా ఆయనకు పోలీసు అధికారులు వేదం పండితుల సమక్షంలో ప్రత్యేక పూజలు నిర్వహించి ఘనస్వాగతం పలికారు. అనంతరం తెలంగాణ కొత్త డీజీపీగా బాధ్యతలు స్వీకరించారు.
पर्वत इवाविदाजलेः इन्द्रैः वध्रवस्तिष्ठ यः राष्ट्रमुदारय अभिदिष्टप्रतन्यतः अधरे सन्तु शत्रवः इन्द्रैववृत्रः तिष्ठ तस्मै देवाधिब्रवन् अयं च ब्रह्मणस्पतिः अयं मुहूर्तः सुमुहूर्तोऽस्तु
सूर्यादीनां नवानां ग्रहाणाम् अत्युन्नत आनुकूलता फलसिद्धिरस्तु तस्मै ब्रह्मज ब्रह्मज अयकेत्यं प्रजां ददः
Government has issued orders for appointment of myself as DG of Telangana, HOPF in charge. So just now I have taken charge. I will try to do my level best, and I understand the priorities of the government, that we should maintain law and order, prevent crime, especially sensational crime, and narcotics has been another priority area for the government. Already Director Narcotics has been appointed. So we'll see that we give lot of emphasis on narcotics also. Plus modern day crime of cyber crime, that also we have a specialization. We have senior officers who are looking after cyber crime. We'll see that we prevent cyber crime and also detect. So I will try to do my level best, and we'll see that Telangana is always peaceful and remains peaceful. I also thank government for considering me suitable for this post, and I will try to do my best. Thank you. Thank you. Already so government has clearly said that narcotics is one of the priority for the government, and already Narcotics Bureau has been appointed. Sanction is there, and recently, CM Garu has flagged off the vehicles also, and some manpower is also sanctioned. So we see that we have good control over the narcotics. As CM Garu always says that there should not be any narcotics in the state. We'll strive for that. Thank you. Okay, sir, all the best. Thank you. I seek cooperation from all of you for state of Telangana. Thank you, sir. Thank you.